Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and I am the owner of LilyRoseCraftroom. And as you can see, I am in a different room. So we recently moved, so now I have a new craft room to decorate. So it's kind of blank, but it will all come together soon. So for today's video, I got this video idea from Flynn Sisters Boutique. And she had this really cool idea of the bad ombre challenge. So you're gonna spray paint and glitter your cup blindfolded. So I'm so excited to get into this video. Oh my goodness. Let's see the mess I create. Okay, so enough of the chit chat, let's get started. So I'm using my sleeping mask to make sure my eyes are completely covered and closed so I'm not able to cheat. And then the first step is spray painting the cup. I was way too close and then I started getting drips, but obviously how am I supposed to know? I was just trying to get it as close to the cup as possible. Then I started using a goldish metallic color and it wasn't coming out when I was pressing it, so I was struggling with that a little bit. And then it came out eventually, so here I go trying to get the bottom of the cup. And then I kept missing the cup, and then my daughter was on the sidelines just laughing at me. And then she told me I spray painted the whole cup gold. She tricked me. So then here I go with more pink. When I shouldn't have listened to her because it had looked fine. So here I go putting more pink. Then I'm pouring about 5 ml of Alumilite's Clear Cast Epoxy just to get the cup nice and tacky so it's able to have the glitter stick on the cup. And then I'm going to use big pieces of parchment paper because I didn't want to get glitter all over my entire desk. Which failed, so it's okay, at least it caught most of it. And then I'm going to be using my glitters. This pink one is Bend and Snap and the gold one is Treasure. And then I was struggling to take the cup off because of the way I had put it. But I used the wrong little football because that one doesn't stand on the table, it just wobbles and it falls over. So I got it, it's all good. So I'm remembering what glitters are which, so I know. And I'm gonna cover my eyes so I don't cheat. And then I grabbed the glitter wrong, the holes are on the other side, but it came out a little bit. And then I took off my blindfold just to see that I'm getting a good angle for you guys. So I'm just going to reposition myself and start again. And this Bend and Snap glitter is a fine cut. Not an ultra fine, just a fine. So it's a 0.15. And I think it just makes it extra sparkly. And it has kind of hints of gold. So it just makes it way more sparkly, and I'm actually running low on it, so I need to refill myself. And Treasure 2, it's also a 0.15 cut, and it's just super sparkly. So here I am missing on the table. Oh my goodness. And my daughter was also in the room giving me pointers saying I needed some more pink. So I'm putting more pink on the cup. And my daughter was also in the room giving me verbal instructions, so I don't know if you consider that cheating. But she was telling me, tilt the cup a little bit more on the top, a little bit more on the bottom. So she was helping me out with her instructions. And then I just felt the need to blend. So here I go with the gold. Some more on the table. So this is where I started missing. And then I took my blindfolds off, and you know what? I was actually really impressed because it just felt like I was getting all the glitter on the table, and it just felt like I was missing the whole entire cup. So I really surprised myself. So here is the look of the cup, and to be honest, it doesn't look bad. It actually looks like my very first ombre cup. So that's how horrible my first one was, but still, when I look back at it, it wasn't that bad. But I love how it came out. It has a funny story to it. So I poured about 30 ml onto this cup of epoxy, so 10A and 10B, just to give it a smooth layer enough to put my decals on. And this challenge was so much fun, such a good laugh for my daughter and I. So I give full credit to Jessica from Flynn Sisters Boutique. And I encourage everybody to try this. It's just so much fun and just a good laugh. Something different from just regular crafting every single day. Okay, so after that first layer of epoxy, I threw on my sticker decals, sanded it a little bit, and then gave it another one, and it was ready to go. So this wasn't much of a tutorial, but it's just a funny video. So as always, let me show you the finished look. So here it is. Let me lower down my brightness right here. Okay. This is actually not that bad. Okay, focus camera. So here it is. So this was my glitter color Bend and Snap and Treasure. So here it is. And yeah, it didn't come out that bad. I might actually use it. So this was such a fun video to make, the Bad Ombre Challenge. So if you guys want to give it a go, try it out. This was so much fun. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.